when she was 14. You see? After now, she went into more realistic art. But I love this great energy of life, of soul, of feeling that she had. This is Gabor, or Gabor. You know, all of you, I'm sure, know. Castillo, the ribbons. This one are the ribbons of Castillo. These are all very intensive artists, very serious. He was the head of the AAP, Art Association of the Philippines, and he did quite a lot for that. First, Arbor. The beauty of this Arbor, also this period was not so much understood because they found it rough. You see, the way he uses red art, they are not used to, they are used more to gambas. So people are used to traditional things. When you put in something that is out of the ordinary, they find it strange. But that is the great vision that brings it. This one is Nestor Binduan. I got 6 words, 4 words from him. This was when he was studying in America. He got a scholarship. Angel, what was the school? Pratt Institute. This is his thesis in Pratt Institute. Ray Albano, you see the similarity. Look how the mind also works. There are periods that there are really, ideas that floats that can combine or they talk with each other. Ray Albano, very, very good artist, but also very intellectual, was the head of the CCP for many, many, many years. After Chabet, Ray Albano came as a director. This one is Jared Navarro, national artist, who also traveled around. He went to Japan, went to Australia, went to Indonesia, and he got a lot of copies. This artist, Echanova, he was an artist that was considered really that he will become a great artist in the Philippines. He had no idea. If you go to the Ateneo, you will see that he made this sculpture of man and woman, use metal, use any kind of material, and makes it extremely proportionate, beautiful the way he composes it. But when he went to America to expand his knowledge, he helped an artist. There was, North America, in New York, there is a lot of, there are 4 seasons, right? So there was the house of his friend who had snow, and the antenna of the television fell down. So he said, okay, I help you. So he went up the roof. European roofs are like this, American roof. From the snow, so the snow will go down. And it fell when he was up, and he broke his spine. And this has caused really a slowdown in his career. And really a big slowdown because it was in a hospital for years and years and years. His son is the one that is preserving. But look at this one. He takes, this one are some part of America, of New York. He puts it 3-dimensional and he builds it like a sculpture. You see, 2 layers. Chabet, collages. Chabet takes also different, puts together events, historical, color, form, shapes. Also at the time, very unusual because the Filipino likes to see figurative